In a quaint village nestled between rolling hills and dense forests, there lived a curious and eager young boy named Ethan. Ethan was always fascinated by the stories his grandparents told him, and he had an insatiable thirst for knowledge about life and the world around him. One sunny afternoon, while helping his grandmother clean out the attic of their old family home, Ethan stumbled upon a dusty, ancient book. The cover was worn, and the title read, 14 Things That Will Change Your Life Forever. Intrigued, Ethan asked his grandmother about it. She smiled and told him that it was a book filled with timeless wisdom, passed down through generations. That evening, Ethan sat by the fireplace and began to read. The first lesson was about living in the present. It advised not to dwell on the past or worry excessively about the future. Ethan realized that he often missed out on the joy of the present moment because he was always anxious about what might come next. The second lesson emphasized the importance of valuing health. It spoke of the body as a temple that needed proper care through a healthy diet and regular exercise. Ethan decided to start eating more fruits and vegetables and to join his friends in their daily morning runs. As he continued reading, he came across the third lesson, which highlighted the value of time. The book urged readers to use their time wisely and not waste it on trivial matters. Ethan reflected on how he spent his days and resolved to manage his time better, focusing on activities that would enrich his life. The fourth lesson was about gratitude. It taught that being thankful for what you have brings inner peace and happiness. Ethan started a gratitude journal, writing down 3 things he was thankful for each day. He found that this simple practice made him more appreciative of the little things in life. He found that this simple practice made him more appreciative of the little things in life. He found that this simple practice made him more appreciative of the little things in life. He found that this simple practice made him more appreciative of the little things in life. Ethan made a habit of reading a new book each month and exploring different subjects that interested him. Ethan made a habit of reading a new book each month and exploring different subjects that interested him. Ethan made a habit of reading a new book each month and exploring different subjects that interested him. The 8th lesson was about listening and respecting others. It taught that everyone has something valuable to share, and listening to others can lead to greater understanding and personal growth. Ethan practiced active listening, which helped him connect better with those around him. The 9th lesson spoke of the importance of self-care. It emphasized taking time for oneself to relax and recharge. Ethan started setting aside time each week to engage in activities he enjoyed, like painting and playing the guitar. The 10th lesson focused on setting goals. It advised setting clear, achievable goals and creating plans to reach them. Ethan wrote down his goals and mapped out steps to achieve them, finding that this gave him a sense of direction and purpose. The 11th lesson was about patience. The book taught that good things often take time and that being patient can lead to greater rewards. Ethan reminded himself to be patient in his pursuits and to trust the process. The 12th lesson addressed facing failure. It encouraged seeing failure as a learning opportunity rather than a setback. Ethan recalled times he had failed and saw them in a new light, understanding that they had taught him valuable lessons. The 13th lesson was about sharing. A T highlighted the joy and growth that come from sharing knowledge, experiences, and feelings with others. Ethan began sharing his learnings with his friends, which strengthened their bonds and helped them grow together. The final lesson was about finding inner peace. A T spoke of the importance of activities like meditation, yoga, and other forms of relaxation to achieve a calm and peaceful mind. Ethan started meditating each morning, which brought him a sense of tranquility and focus. Years passed, and Ethan grew into a wise and content man, living by the principles he had learned from the ancient book. He shared these teachings with others, passing on the wisdom that had transformed his life. The village thrived, filled with people who lived mindfully, valued their health, and cherished their time and relationships. Ethan's legacy lived on, a testament to the profound impact of those 14 valuable lessons.